What's going on, guys? So today I'm on my way over to my mate Jacob's house, hanging out with him and Angus. You might have seen him in a recent video. We're going to fix his Vy. He got a Calais, Vy L67 Calais recently, and the gearbox has been playing up on him, starting to slip and shit, like the VE has done before. And so we're going to give it a little, basically a gearbox service, and try to change some springs and just general fucking around, hopefully do some skids and shit, and yeah. So I'll see you when I get there.
Unhealthy for a growing child.
I know, good friend.
Oh.
Here you go, guys. My gift to you.
Oh. Love you, Matt. Oh, where's Jacob's?
Oh yeah, I like your exhaust, bro.
Yeah, wait, hold up. Just wait.
Oi, it's spinner! A spinner exhaust. You know spinner rims?
Oh, fuck
it's
yeah.
a spinner exhaust.
Got no fuel. It's got like 245,000 Ks on the car.
Slip-on exhaust. Fuck yeah.
Yum.
Sick.
So what's the objective of today?
Service and transmission, so it'll skid.
Yeah.
Put some mad loud springs in it.
Sounds good to me.
Put a mad sound system in it.
I heard skid and I was like, yeah, let's go.
It does skid. Did one this morning for like literally like 4 seconds. Just sat there doing a line locking and then it stopped shifting. It was in second and it wouldn't go into third. Got to like 4,500 and it just kept going. It was not moving at all.
That's what the VE done when it blew up the fucking old gearbox. Drive just didn't exist anymore.
Spring compressors on a budget.
Yeah, so we don't have spring compressors, or we were going to do zip ties, but we don't have zip ties either.
So I found fencing wire instead.
So yeah, fencing wire.
Little day. Merry fucking Christmas. Thanks, mate. Not as effective as I was hoping.
The genius way sort of worked. Are you going for more?
Yeah, I'll put one there.
Yeah, nice.
Because that bit's just coming down, but the other two aren't moving.
Yeah, getcha. Where there's will, there's a way.
Right, I reckon 2 more, and it'll come out.
I reckon. Bro, this is genius, honestly.
Yeah, I know. Fuck spending $80. I can't. If you go to work tomorrow, I look like a junkie because I've cuts all over my hands and shit. What are you doing? I'll lower in my car. Fuck, this is so sketch.
Ah, it's solid, bro.
Is it a budget if you budget?
Yeah, see, it's solid. It's so... So there's something special about this VY.
Yeah.
It's fucking boosted, mate.
It's actually good.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Is good, yeah.
Blew my one up. Got sad, no more L67s, and then you bought one.
10 PSI pulley, stage 3 cam, poured and polished heads, shift kitted box with a stall,
Fuck yes.
4-inch intake with a mad pod filter.
It's gonna be mint, bro.
Fucking would be. Extractors, stainless steel extractors on eBay.
Shame I just like sold half my parts and
Yeah.
I'm doing this giveaway.
Yeah.
Right, with everything that you need.
Literally. You don't want to buy that for sale.
Yeah.
Minus all the stuff I want.
Shit. It's for sale. Come get it.
Rest in peace, wrong filter.
Stitch up. Fuck it. I'm
fuck
just gonna
am I
send
doing
it anyway.
You just...
Could be sleeping now.
Send it. If it works, it works. If it blows up, we'll put a new one in it. Done that Commodore.
So the plan now is to,
Service the transmission.
without a filter,
Yeah, send it.
check the fluid and then put new fluid
I just
in.
want to see if there's chunks in it.
Fair enough.
I reckon there will be. Oh, don't. Oh, yuck. This is filth. Oh, oh.
When you've gotten all the bolts, add 4 and then another 2, and that's all of them.
Fucking leaking everywhere. Like, this is fucked. And I can't loosen it because my hand's covered in fucking transmission fluid. Like, this is so inefficient, cunt. Inefficient. Everyone on YouTube, this is how not to do what we're doing.
No, this is how you do
I did it. I started loosening the right bolt. Oh no. Uh-oh.
it. Ooh, that looks very good.
Yum.
Oh yeah, there's so many chunks on my fucking hand. Rip fucking Vy gearbox, dude. This is cooked. Cunt, this is gonna be like the worst. You're gonna get fucking demonetized for the amount of swearing in this video.
Oh, I've been waiting for it to happen,
Swear to
actually.
fuck.
Don't spill it. You gotta move this.
10 hours later.
Do you want? Yeah, I got it.
Drop
Ish.
it. Drop it. Can't. It's not that bad. It's actually clean as I know.
What's it taste like?
Taste it there. It's relatively clean.
I'm not gonna fucking do that.
It doesn't look that bad.
It's not terrible. There's not sludge everywhere.
Yeah.
So that's a bonus.
I just need to pull that pan out and see how many chunks are in it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
So what's your fluid like?
Oh, it's a bit clutchy.
Ooh, yeah.
Like a bit of Metallica.
Yeah, metallic.
Holy fuck, there is a lot in there though.
Yeah, fucking laters, bro. This box is dead for sure. Yeah. The service kit will make it last a bit longer, but
That's so fucking cooked.
yeah, the VE, when we done the VE box, it lasted a day. I drove from my house to Fishwick, going up High Marsh Drive in the speed camera zone. It just went to red line in drive. And that was it. She was dead.
What am I doing?
Look at all that
What am I doing?
metallic, bro.
Pull the fucking drain pan out.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's so fucked. This box is cooked.
I think we need to get you a new box, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Finger paint.
That's fucking gone, cunt. Bro.
Fuck. Fuck me. Oh, get fucked.
Laters. So that's like all fucked up. We're gonna try and fit this filter because they said it was a steep one. This one's flat. I don't know, some shit. It's different. We're gonna try and make it work. See how it goes. But for now, putting the wheels back on this because we're not gonna do the springs because Angus is about to leave. So Jacob's gonna do a skid after Angus leaves. Yeah, guys. So me, Angus, and Jacob are admins of this Facebook group. So everyone join the group if you want to come to like cruises, skids, whatnot. Post up your cars and everything. Yeah, that's it. Meet and greets. Fuck yeah. Get this wheel on, go do a skid.
Make your guards like this.
Yum.
Fuck yeah.
Mate. It's a bit low there. Can't even fit your jack.
100 mil on split.
Yeah, officer.
More like 70.
And legal tread.
Yeah, then you both.
Yeah, brand new.
Yeah, I only did one ski flip.
Yeah. One of Jacob's. This is basically a skid pig.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then the VY is like the one you're going to build and actually spend money on and make good. And then Angus has like 7 VS's, some old Holden, I can't remember the model, a Gallant. It's mint. It's mint,
And a
bro.
fucking Mazda 323.
Yes.
And a fucking Skyline. And
Alright, let's go into a burnout.
Let's do it.
Apparently I'm on like 20k's till empty, so we'll see how this goes.
Fuck yeah! Fucking laters. See you, Angus!
Bye-bye.
Stop running. card.
Fucking hell, dude.
You know it's good when the back seat gets it?
Oh,
That was
fucking
gold,
dude.
bro.
It was mad. They got both going too.
Yeah.
That's hectic.
And this mint thing.
Fucking me, guys.
Back to the misery.
Oh, fuck. Now I've got to change the tranny filter.
New filters on. Looking good.
This is supposed to be red.
Yeah. And not have any metallic chunks in it.
Any clutch packs? That's perish as fuck.
Yeah. There is
cooked,
literally no filter.
Hashtag no filter. Oh, fuck me, dude. That's fucked.
Fuck.
Cook that.
Yeah, so where are the bolts we need to put this back on, Jacob?
Where are they?
Yeah.
There?
Bro,
Alright.
you're out of fluid.
Oh no.
The fuck? Maybe that's why it's been not working. Oh.
Take that filter out and fucking go and get another.
Yeah.
Fucking
Fuck.
get a refund. You can't. Beautiful. Oh, fuck. At least it's red, not black, and it doesn't smell like death.
Yeah, true. Or have chunks of metallic and shit in it. Oh, I can hear it farting.
Queefs. Queefs from the gearbox.
Yeah, bro.
It's not pissing out from your hand, is it?
Nah, she's right.
Fuck yeah.
It's all going in. Besides that little bit of pre-cum you got on me, we're good.
Should've moved your fucking hand.
Start her up, son. Sounds so healthy. It's weird.
Not even mad exhaust leak, but.
I was gonna say, something sounds kind of good. Never mind. Another L67, eh? I don't think there will ever be a time when Gearheads Oz doesn't have an L67 somewhere.
Never. Let's just take the airbox off and make a line.
Yeah, let's make a wine real quick.
Why the fuck not? Hey?
If anyone that owns an L67 wants wine and isn't scared to sacrifice a little bit of heat soak, just take your airbox off and chuck a pod filter on.
Oh fuck yeah! Stock L67.
She's a screamer.
Ow. Don't touch belts when they're moving. Fucking hell.
Yeah.
It smells good, but.
Bro, you're so weird. Auto gearbox fluid doesn't smell
It
good.
smells good when it's burning. It's all sweet. It just hurts my throat.
That's it.
That's in your bag.
Smells good. It just, you know, burns my throat.
It gives mad head spins. Nah, it just smells real sweet.
Yeah, I get it. You're into that kind of kinky shit, aren't you?
Yeah, fuck it. Go for a drive.
Fuck yeah. It's mint. Let's go test out if all that bullshit we endured was worth
It'll
it.
be a very gentle drive.
Yeah.
Give it a shift, but
Well, I mean, it's moving.
it's gonna shift. Oh!
Changed gears.
Going to third.
Yeah.
Oh,
And it's grabbing, it's not going to limiter, so that's a good sign.
for now.
Yeah.
Drop it to second.
It's just a matter of when it heats up. If
Yeah,
it's
it
still.
didn't go into second.
Oh no.
Oh, it did.
You just don't notice
It's
it.
just being
Yeah.
weird. I'll slow down heaps. Going first. Do like 10 Ks.
What the fuck happened there?
I don't know.
It's going pretty well for now.
Yeah, for now, until it gets warm. It's warming up pretty quick, which is good. Wow, there's rubber everywhere. Oh, wait, there's bits of tyre there, cunt. Once this gets warm, if it's still shifting, I might do a little burn.
Fuck yeah. Alrighty then. I guess that's gives us an indication of how your gearbox is.
Hopefully it's alright. Oh, yep.
Yeah, it's grabbing. Hey look, this car has a mirror.
Cool.
Yeah, mad.
On,
Gonna try a little launch.
power on, put it in drive. Oh, fuck. Wait, but it's just got no go now.
We just went.
Fuck off.
It
Straight
just-
down the hill and now it's got nothing to bet.
So it free revved a little bit at the
Alright.
top of the gear there.
Top a second.
Yeah, top of
It's doing
second.
fucking 90, so it's fair enough.
Yeah, it started to like go to limiter. See if we can make it up the hill, but
Alright,
it's driving. Another skid? no. Oh shit. Yeah. Fucking oath. I don't get it, it'll skid. Seems to be going well. going back onto the gravel. Get it going.
Too many skids, cunt.
Yeah. What all this cunt?
Fuck me, dude. I need to stop, car.
Oh, no self-control. I get that feeling.
Wow, the fucking L67 Vy, car.
Legit. It's fun though. Yeah, nice. So I think the verdict is that she's alright.
Yeah, I suppose.
I mean, it's
Like,
like, it's driving, shifting, skidding and everything. It's gotten fully to temperature. And it's still not like slipping. Before it would just not move, eh?
yeah. It was like it would just grind.
Yeah. And now, yeah.
My fuel economy has been going up since I've been doing burnouts. When
See,
I bought it, it was
burnouts are
on.
good.
When I bought it, it was on 11.5. Now it's on nearly 14. Cunt.
Fuck, she's mint. So I think it's good. We'll see once
Hopefully.
you start to drive it more and more how long it
I'll just
lasts.
drive it daily.
Yeah.
Not to work because I don't have a fucking license. I just drive it every arvo and fucking see what happens.
Fuck yeah. Anyway guys, that's all for today. We fixed it. It does skids.
For now.
That was the goal, right? Just to skid?
Just to fucking do a burnout.
Yeah.
Get in your box.
Just one burnout and that was it.
Oh, like
Even though we done like 7.
fuck their shag, gun.
But yeah, that tyre's rooted on the VX.
They're both fucked.
Fucking this was brand new. Yeah, nice. Still got heaps of tread left. But yeah, you should see more videos and shit going on with these cars and these mad cunts. But yeah.
He's dropping tail lights and polish and
Yeah, a lot of
probably
shit.
rear bags.
Like full fucking build, basically. But yeah, guys, comment what you thought below. Leave a like, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next video.